Hey everyone, Dustin from Meridian here, back with another gear tutorial. So not too long ago, I was really on the fence about whether the Tascam DR-10L Pro was really worth the upgrade over the original version. But with the recent price drop to 149 USD, I've got to say it's definitely worth the extra $24 over the original. With 32-bit float recording and extended battery life, the Pro version is an excellent choice for anyone serious about capturing high-quality audio. So today, I wanted to walk you through how to use this device, starting with the essential settings, and then taking a deep dive into the most important part, proper lav mic placement. So starting with the settings, first let's look at recording level. I recommend setting this to mid or high mid. Even though 32-bit float gives you plenty of flexibility, I think it's nice to have your audio levels close to where you want them right off the bat. So this way, when you drop the audio into your video, it's already in the right ballpark. Next, we have the low cut filter. Honestly, you can skip this one for now. A low cut filter can always be applied in post, and I think it's nice to have the extra control over how much of that low end you want to reduce. The limiter, I don't think that's necessary either with 32-bit float. Really, the beauty of this recorder is that it captures such a wide dynamic range that you won't have to worry about clipping. For file format, you want to make sure you selected WAV. WAV files are uncompressed, giving you the highest quality audio, and that's exactly what you want. I recommend setting your record format to 48 kilohertz. While 44.1 kilohertz is fine for audio-only projects, 48 kilohertz is the standard for video production because it syncs better with your camera's audio. As for bit depth, you have options for 24-bit and 16-bit, but honestly, why would you choose anything other than 32-bit float? This setting gives you so much flexibility, and the file sizes are still pretty manageable. Finally, you want to make sure you format your SD card whenever you use it for the first time. This helps ensure compatibility with the recorder and helps prevent any potential issues during recording. Okay, so now that we've covered the settings, let's talk about how to get the most out of your lav mic. And this is where the real magic happens, because even with the best settings, poor mic placement is just going to ruin your audio. When it comes to optimal placement for the lav mic, ideally you want to be about 6 to 8 inches below the chin. So usually if you just find the collarbone and just go down a little bit from there, that's a good starting point. A lot of times people will place the lav mic too close to the throat, and that results in a lot of plosives and throat sounds, which isn't really ideal. Clipping the mic is straightforward and quick. You simply attach the mic to a piece of clothing, like the collar or lapel, using the clip that comes with the mic. The biggest advantage of clipping is ease of use. It's fast, and it generally gives you consistent results. The mic is also exposed, so it captures sound directly from the speaker's mouth, and that usually results in clear audio. However, there are some downsides to consider. Clipping the mic can make it more visible, which might not be ideal in situations where you want the mic hidden, like during a wedding or a film shoot. Now, if discretion is key, taping the mic is often a better option. Taping the lav mic allows you to hide it inside clothing, making it virtually invisible on camera. I recommend using Ursa tape, which comes in multiple colors like black, brown, beige, and white. This variety lets you blend the mic with different outfits seamlessly. Taping offers the advantage of being discreet, which I think is really important in situations like weddings, where you want to have the mic completely hidden. So for us, we tape the lav mic inside the groom's jacket and then place the recorder in the jacket pocket. So this method ensures that the mic stays in place and out of sight while still capturing clear audio. Another benefit of taping is that it can help reduce wind noise, especially when the mic is placed inside clothing. However, taping also has its downsides. The mic is more prone to picking up rustling sounds from the fabric, and without the ability to monitor the audio directly during the recording, you won't know if there's an issue until you check the recording afterward. While you could connect headphones to the DR-10L Pro, have the person speak, and then disconnect the headphones if it sounds good, I find this method to be pretty impractical and unreliable, especially for detecting potential rustling sounds. Instead, just try to focus on securely taping the mic in a good spot where it's less likely to move or rub against the clothing. Each type of clothing really requires a different approach, and it's important to decide what's most important for your shoot. Optimal mic placement or hiding the mic. For instance, with a dress, you might tape the mic to the inside of the neckline for better audio capture, or even hide it in the hairline if the person has long hair for a more discreet look. With shirts, taping the mic inside the placket or seam can help conceal it, but this might not always result in the best audio quality. It's really just a balancing act, so you'll need to decide what's most important for the situation at hand. And remember, if you're filming outdoors, be extra cautious about wind. A fur cover and strategic placement can make a big difference in reducing wind noise while still capturing clear audio. To sum it up, whether you choose to clip or tape the lav mic, the key is to consider the specific needs of your shoot. Clipping is quick and reliable, while taping offers more discretion, but requires more care in its placement. So by understanding the pros and cons of each method, you'll be able to capture the best possible audio with your Tascam DR-10L Pro. So there you have it. I hope this deep dive into lav mic placement helps you get even better results with your Tascam DR-10L Pro. If you're interested in seeing an in-depth video where we lav different types of clothing in different environments, let me know in the comments. As always, hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure you subscribe for more video and audio tips. See you next time.